This is the Lagos State Special Offences Court in Ikeja, where the case of rape, sexual assault, and abuse of a minor leveled against a popular Nollywood actor, Olanrewaju Omiyinka, known as Baba Jesha, is ongoing. The case involves Baba Jesha and a 14-year-old girl in the care of comedian Adekola Adekoya, popularly called Princess. At the court today, we have actress Iyabo Ojo, who has been one of the voices speaking up in this matter and condemning acts of rape. The case resumed today, Monday, 26th of July, 2021. Recall that the court had granted bail to Baba Jesha on the 24th of June, 2021. And the judge, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo, had mentioned that granting of bail to Baba Jesha was on the ground of his fundamental human rights. Baba Jesha was actually charged on 6 counts of sexual assault by penetration, indecent treatment of a child, and sexual assault, which contravene sections 259, 135, and 261 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2011, as well as sections 135, 263, and 262 Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. You can see people gathered in front of the courtroom there. They are gathered out there and not inside the courtroom because Princess, who is the first witness in this case, presented some exhibits before the court. The exhibit A was a compact disc, CD, and it contained information about the relationship between Princess and Baba Jesha, as well as the act of alleged rape, and the moment Baba Jesha was begging her to keep the matter private and not make it public. Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo was of the view that the law actually forbids such acts like the rape of a minor being viewed in public, and therefore requested that those in the courtroom should exit so that just the judge and the lawyers would have access to view the content of that CD. So outside here you have quite a number of people. You have Princess herself, who is the guardian of the 14-year-old girl in question. You have Iyabo Ojo, who is one of the voices that have been speaking up against this matter, and several other people, including journalists. Now, Baba Jesha has actually been in the eye of the storm since the 22nd of April 2021. It was on that day the Lagos State Police Command announced he had been arrested for allegedly sexually assaulting a 14-year-old girl. That's the girl in the care of Princess. Now, some lawyers who stood for Baba Jesha in the court at the last sitting were a senior advocate of Nigeria, Dada Woshika, another senior advocate of Nigeria, Babatunde Ogala, and the 17 other lawyers. They represented him. I'll be sure that New Trends Africa will bring you all the updates on this case as it unfolds. And as it stands, the court is actually on recess, on a vacation. But Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo is hearing this matter And I remember Baba Ijesha was granted bail in June, and he's here to answer to the charges against him. This matter has actually raised a lot of banters between and among actors and actresses within the Nollywood movie industry in Nigeria, with some defending Baba Ijesha and some defending Princess. But then the court, as a final arbiter, would determine in the end that justice is served in this matter, no matter whose ox is God. Kindly watch this video and others by New Trends Africa. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on various social media platforms at New Trends Africa.
New Trends Africa. Everything trending.